love to make sounds. We do a game called Sound Effects. Yes, sir. Come on up.
Brandy.
Come on, we're gonna give you a mic. Yeah.
Can we have a task or something that needs to be fixed?
Pottery.
No.
Fix the doorbell.
World hunger.
Fix the doorbell.
Horseshoe making. All right. Horseshoe making.
So whenever the camera does something, you're gonna make something. Okay. Whenever Aaron does something, you get to make that sound. Okay. So let's try and be pretty obvious about what the sound they're making. Don't worry about the sound you make. Whatever choice you make is perfect. Just commit to it and have fun.
Let me rev up the drill press here, Vernon. Whoa, whoa, you're scaring her! I have my ear protection on, Vernon. She did not have her ear protection on. It's okay, my dear. You know, typically, Vernon, we don't bring the horse in when we make the horseshoes. So, I know you're from Switzerland and you people do these things different. I'm glad you're here apprenticing in my shop, but if you could just trot your pony out the front. She is very picky. Come, baby pig.
I want to stay.
Let me get a good look. You can't put it back there. What are you doing? Well, I could have sworn I heard a human voice coming from out of that end. Not messing around anymore. We're going to shoot this horse, and I never even want to. I never want to see this animal again.
This is kind of interesting.
I'm putting the protection back on. Her little paw, look, she's stomping her little hoofy. I'm gonna light this acetylene torch, and we're gonna size up this iron bar. All right, hold that back hoof up. Let me get an eyeball on there.
Flame away!
All right, looks like about 14. All right. Oh, look what you made her do. Here, wait, it's locked. Take my keys. I'm uncomfortable with these voices up in here, so I'm going to turn on all the equipment here in the shop, and you handle the animal watcher. I would hug her. I've got the drill press here going. And I've got the chainsaw sharpener going as well. I've got the acetylene torch going. Hey, let's get right through this. I'm going to cut through these rooms right now.